We'll discuss some important MCQs of first unit Human Geography, Nature and Scope. So, first question and second question has given two term nomothetic and adiagraphic. Geographic can be discussed and can be interpreted with law making and description. So nomothetic means law making, and question number 2 adigraphic means description. Question number 3, who has defined the human geography as the study of relationship between human society and earth surface. So its correct answer is Frederick Ratzel. Question number 4, human geography is the study of changing relationship between unresting man and unstable earth. In this definition, dynamism has emphasized. So, this definition of human geography has given by Ellen Churchill Sample. Question number 5, who coined the term neo-determinism? So, neo-determinism term given by Griffin Taylor, and this neo-determinism also known as stop and go theory. Who gave the concept of stop and go theory, go determinism? So, this concept or this theory has given by Griffin Taylor. Question number 8, which of the following is not a subfield of social geography? So here medical geography, historical geography and cultural geography are the subfield of social geography, but military geography is not subfield of social geography. Here military geography is the subfield of political geography. Question number 9, in which period quantitative thought became popular in geographical studies? In geography, quantitative revolution has started. So this answer is late 1950th century. The quantitative thought became popular in geography after the paper published by Bruton, The Quantitative Revolution and Theoretical Geography in Canadian Geographer in 1963. Question number 10, which school of thought is mainly concerned with the social well-being of the people? So here welfare school of thought is mainly concerned with the social well-being of the people. Here welfare is emphasized. Welfare and or humanistic school of thought in human geography was mainly concerned with the different aspects of social well-being of the people. Here it includes health, education and housing. Question number 11, stop and go theory also known as stop and go determinism also known as neo-determinism. Question number 12, which of the following is a subfield of economic geography? So here its correct answer is geography of agriculture. Geography of agriculture is the subfield of economic geography, and others are the military geography is the subfield of political geography, and historical geography is the subfield of social geography. Here geography of agriculture is subfield of economic geography, like geography of tourism and geography of agriculture, geography of industrialization. These are the subfield of economic geography. Question number 13, the study of interrelationship between human and environment is. So here human geography is the study of interrelationship between human and its natural environment. Question number 14, the most important factor in the interrelation between people and environment is the technology. Technology is the main factor of interaction between the people and environment. With the help of technology, the human being continuously dominate our natural environment and get benefit out of the natural environment. So here explanation: human being interact with the environment with the help of technology. Question number 15: who is the considered the father of human geography? Here father of human geography is considered Frederick Razel. And another question which may come in your exam, that who is the father of modern human geography? So its correct answer is Carl Ritter. Question number 16. Psephology is the sister discipline of which subfield of human geography? So here question number 16, option given: military geography, electoral geography, agricultural geography, industries geography. So here psephology is the subfield of electoral geography. Question number 18, the idea that all the regions were part of the whole, that is to say the earth is under which approach? So here regional approach is the correct answer. If we regionally partly we distribute or divide the world, then we betterly understand and better we can betterly study separately the whole world. Question number 19, historical geography to which field of human geography? So here historical geography is the subfield of social geography. Question number 20, geography dash school of thought employed the Martian theory to explain the basic cause of poverty, deprivation and social welfare. So here its correct answer is radical school of thought. So according to radical school of thought, all the contemporary social problems are related to the development of capitalism. Due to capitalism, people are facing poverty, deprivation and social inequality. Due to development of capitalism, there is increasing gap between the rich and the poor. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.